In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off keyboard Memoji stickers on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings, then tap at general, and then get into keyboard. You will be taken to this page where you should scroll down to the very bottom, and towards the bottom of that list you can easily find that Memoji stickers option, and all you have to do in order to turn it on or off is just tap at that switcher button next to it. That will allow you to send Memoji and Animoji stickers from your emoji keyboard. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.